Good morning, everybody. PHIO. We got some news dropped for this stock right now, guys. Huge jump for this stock at the moment. We might have a squeeze for it before the market open. Let's get right to it, guys. PHIO looking pretty interesting. The other one is Vero. It's testing almost our support at the moment. The $9.69. We got FMTO looking all right. Works broke the support around the 130 and around the 116. Yeah, now it's going down toward the support, the main support over the $1. So we got few stocks to watch, guys. Top of them is PHIO, squeezing toward the top resistant at the moment, the 284. We might have a pullback at the moment, guys, for PHIO. Watch out. Mr. Bozo, yes, PHIO, good news, hitting the market at the moment. We got skin cancer treatment recommended for dose escalation. Really good news, guys. Pretty good news for PHIO. That's why we got a huge jump for it before the market open. The SPY, guys, the SPY is correcting again. We still have a support here. SMCI, I think, is correcting with the SPY. Palantir, the same. We got a good reversal for the market. Today, it is the main event day to confirm if the market will continue higher or going down. I'm watching the main event for today is Tesla, Palantir, and SMCI. Those the one are looking interesting to trade. RH, nope. Dell, nope. Shopify, nope. So yeah, I'm gonna keep and watching SMCI, Palantir, looking interesting for today's swing trade. Good morning, guys. Welcome, whatever you are. Welcome to our Hunter channel. And of course, remember to hit the like button on the way in. Shout out to our new members and supporter on our YouTube channel. Les Ostemrier coming back to our membership. Thank you for the support, man. Christopher D. Martin joining to our Hunter channel now. Shout out to our new members. Good morning, Amis. Good morning, Avir. Lizzie, stay focused. Good reminder to change your name on YouTube to stay focused always. Jenica, good morning. MLGO can hit the 25 or 22. I will check. PHIO, it was your pre-market trade. Good profit. Good, brother. Many of you asking about MLGO level. I'm gonna check MLGO for you guys. 9% yesterday down, but still holding the current support at the moment over the $15. So MLGO, it looked interesting today to break the 2340, but it's still no action in pre-market. So I'm watching for a breakout here. It could be good, guys. MLGO, it could be good. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list because the 15 is our bottom, 2373 is the support. PHIO number one, but it's getting near a resistance, guys. The $2.80 should be a pullback zone. Vero is entering the level of support, so we might have a dip now around the 863 because we pulled back from the current resistance around the 1180. Short seller added their position here, so we expect a pullback down now toward the current support for it. It is technically over the 860 and the 789 now. This one could have a huge reversal later. So I expect a correction, at least around the $15. Now it is going down hard to recorrect. PHIO correcting down. Works is pulling down. FMTO the same. I'm gonna keep three stocks. AREB could be good later with TNXB, but I'm gonna keep the main ones here: MLGO, Vero, and PHIO. Good morning, everybody, wherever you are. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We've got a huge day ahead of us. The market is kind of correcting at the moment. Let's see. Vero number one, PHIO, FMTO works. We got few stocks. Yesterday we have the most volatile day, guys, for the market open because we got many stock got halted. VMTO. Okay, let's see. PHIO. I think we have the cancel drug. Yes, positive safety monitoring committee recommend to advance in skin cancer study to fourth dose escalation. Nice news for PHIO. The other one we got Vero 2 days ago. We have first quarter of fiscal year 2025. We have a good first quarter for this year, the earnings. So two stocks looking great, have major news. I think the earnings was 31 of March. Anyway, we got, yeah, PHIO is number one at the moment. FMTO, I took it from the list for now. Yesterday we did 400%, now 75%. I don't like the technical that much, man. That's why I took it from the list. It's kind of shabby. Apple down 100%, $100 in the last 90 days. Oh, nice. Lizzie77, change my name. Why? Why you want to change your name? Bitcoin going lower. What's going on? Is Apple, guys, went down $100, $172 from the 260 and 160. Yes, to $100. Good discounts, but still we might have more discount for Apple if the market continues to go down. There's more room to go down. Yeah, still there's room to recorrect down. But yeah, Apple looking interesting for loading up, guys. I'm gonna put Apple just right there. Thank you for the reminder. Stay focused. Yes, stay focused always to hunt for the dip. This is how we do it here, guys. Staying focused is really important to find the dips to buy. Again, still we have on decision in the market, guys, because the SPY is still holding the 483, but still yet a bit away from the resistance. We pulled back a lot yesterday from the resistance, the 526. So right now we're consolidating sideways in big range for the SPY. So today is the day, guys, to confirm either we're gonna have a green week or the rest of the month or going further down. SMCI and Palantir is the best here because it's still holding the gain. Yeah, not bad for both of them. They look interesting for today, especially SMCI, guys. If we held the $30, as we discussed yesterday, it was perfect bounce. We hit it yesterday after hours. SMCI continued to go down even after our close. Market open, we pumped. Lizzie, Mbot, and DXF. I think we already checked this one. DXF, I checked it early, but it is light on volume. That's why I didn't put it on the list. Yeah, DXF. Yeah, we got the resistance around the 15. He's jumped 60%, but I don't like the trend. The trend is really bad for this one. I don't like it. In bots, the same is not stable. It's a bit volatile, but we have two support, the 164 and 143. Current resistance is around the 4, and we got a few target around the $2.25. So this one is not that bad, but it's not that beautiful. So I'm gonna keep it because we don't have many stocks on the list. You are welcome, Lizzie. And XXII, this is new. I never saw this one before. This one jumping almost 320, but again, this one is pretty rocketing, pretty fast and going down fast. Look at that. It's going freaking fast. You can't even touch it. So yeah, this one, it is too dangerous. I'm gonna keep it on the list until we establish some support, because look at that, in 1 minute we have a huge wick. So I don't trust it that much for now. So I'm gonna keep it on the list to see if the technical change after that, because now it is too dangerous. Jenica, JNVR, it is no good for now. Still barcoding, still light on volume. Yes, it broke the trend, but it's still below the resistance, the 34.78. But yeah, you have reason here. It looked really interesting. We might have the volatility come once the market open. So thank you for the reminder, because I'm gonna put it down. It look interesting now for a breakout with AREB could be good as well at the market open. NAOV, it is a bit dicey. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those stocks. PHIO is pulling back. We got a target for it. If we jumped today, the top target should be around the 450, and the first target should be around the 349. But now it's overextended. That's why we pull back. Vero, guys, is about to reverse here, or already reversed before the market open. I was waiting for another dip for this one here. We might have this dip at the market open, so I'm gonna keep watching it. MBOT still okay. This one is too volatile. MLGO is still sleeping. JNVR light on volume, but we might have a change for it later. Okay, we got 10 minutes left, guys. 10 minutes left at the market open. Now we still have a pullback for PHIO because it's overextended here. Be careful, guys. This one, he did a huge jump here, almost 100% before the live streaming 1 hour ago. So that's why we pull him back a bit. PHIO, it is the top with Vero and MBOT, those the top three stocks. This one, it is top gainer, but I don't recommend trading this one. It's like cocaine, guys. This one is hard drug. It is like cocaine, jumped really quick, exploded, and now it's going down. Good morning, George. RH, it was good, man. Early before it reversed really quick and now pulled back, so now it's a bit dangerous. It was good to enter and exit with 30% gain. In just one day, it was really good for entry and exiting very quick. SPY looking all right. It's still holding, guys. I'm watching for the SPY today if it broke this current level around the 500 or 499. This is the first signal for the market strength or weakness. So I will keep watching the first resistance. The main resistance still around the 526. But the first one, it is here, 499. For cryptos or Bitcoin, we got a little pullback for Bitcoin, yes, today, few hours ago. And now we have a little correction. So you see here, we accumulate and we corrected up like this buy, reverse with this buy, and last dip that we got for Bitcoin was on Wednesday, yes. Once the market opened, we have a huge reversal. Today is the Wednesday. And this one, I think, yeah, in the morning, we have a nice bounce for Bitcoin in the morning. That's why once the pre-market open, guys, market open here was good. Anyway, let's see. MBOT is too dangerous. Guys, MBOT, it is too dangerous. It go up and down really quick. Let's check if we got something else. FMTO got flushed down. Holy moly. I knew it, guys. I knew this one is not stable, is not good. Look at that. We were watching this one, and some of you asked me about FMTO. Wait a second. Let me just check. There's someone asking me about FMTO. Yes, Lizzie. Lizzie, you asked me about FMTO. Look at what's happened, man. Holy moly, it's done. We discussed this one, guys, before this flush. We said it's not good. That's why we didn't put it on the main list. We took it from the list and it said it's not good. Now it's game over. 90% down. So I'm gonna take it from the list. Lizzie, be careful. I felt it, man. It's not good technically, just from the technical. Now I think we got news hit the market. Huge bad news for FMTO, guys. Stay away from it. Man, you know, sometimes I can't explain why I don't like the stock or even a person. Sometimes I can't explain why I don't like the stock or even a human being. Like few seconds I can feel like if the stock is bad. And officially, like the stock that really bought give me like bad like I know just from the technical is not wise to trade them even in a few seconds, because even if you bought this one, you're gonna get cut by the sell-off. There's no time to exit for this one. Let me just show you. It happened like 1 minute. We dropped, let me just show you. We dropped almost 67%. You be wiped. Even if you put stop loss around the $3.83, will only be triggered around the 160. So be careful, guys. FMTO, KO. Really KO right now. So now we watching PHIO, one of the nicest one that I'm watching right now. This one looking really strong, guys. Vero, the same, looking strong. MBOT, I don't trust this one that much, guys. The same, I have bad feeling about this one. It's not that stable. JNVR could be good at the market open. Now the volatility is light, but I expect this one to do something crazy once the market open. AREB the same, still have a chance. MLGO still had a chance. XXII, I don't like it as well. So the best one, it is PHIO and Vero. Those the top ones. Okay, Dexter, NAOV, nice hunt, my brother. Great hunt for NAOV. I think we discussed NAOV before. Yeah, we have a little jump, but the resistance was here around the 810. It's not looking good for today. That's why we don't put it on the list for now. Anyway, great hunt, my brother. For now, don't forget, guys, the market is about to open. So disclaimer for today, don't forget. We have to bring our disclaimer for today. And remember, we always go live every day, guys, to discuss the markets. And 30 minutes before the market open. Remember, guys, every day before the market open, we discuss the market. And remember, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, always let the price come to you and never run after the price. Let's see how many minutes we left here. I think we got left with 3 minutes left. Yes. So guys, don't forget to press the like button and the way in, and shout out to our new members for today. Les Ostemrier for becoming a disciplined hunter. And I think you come back again because I can see that this is not the first time you've been a member with us. So welcome back. Christopher D. Martin is new hunter, new member. Thank you for the support, brother. Shout out to Christopher D. Martin. So guys, don't forget, let's get right to it. And of course, let us put our community down below on our Discord and Patreon for the people who wake up early and trade in the pre-market early, because always we do a pre-market watch list for mini entry and exit before the market open, of course, where we gonna have or we always have opportunity to buy mini stocks. For today, the opportunity was for Vero, because we discussed this one and we suggest to exit here. The first profit was around the 1180. If we go here and the pre-market and show you for Vero, yes, as you can see here, it was really good because we said the resistance is around the 979, and we went there for Vero. Let's check here. Yes, Vero was good because we have yes, we have two technical. Yes, we said the 979 and the 1159, yes, is the profit taken for Vero. Yes, as you can see here, it was really good because we broke the resistance and we went up. After that, look at that, we went down. So this one was really great early in the pre-market, because this pre-market, watch this, we did it, or always we do it around 11 a.m. Central European time, or after 1 hour usually from the pre-market open. So let's get right to it, guys. Thank you for watching and pressing the like button. Wake up, MLGO. Exactly, Santush. FMTO can bring you a lot of money and it can wipe all the money from your account, so be careful. So, guys, we've got 20 seconds left at the market open. 20 seconds left, imagine. And all hell will break loose. PHIO and Vero are the best candidates for today, for my opinion. Are the best candidates to trade for today. So let's get right to it. And for sure, we got the market. Yes, the market is open right now, guys. SMCI fighting, Palantir fighting, Tesla fighting. Today, as we said, guys, we got a little resistance for the SPY, almost around the $500 that we should break it to have a bit of green for the market and give us a bit of confidence. For PHIO, still holding. Vero, we might get halted up, guys. Watch out for Vero. Current resistance and profit taking is around the 1184, guys. This is the current resistance right now for Vero. Make sure to take a little profit there because we might get shorted there. Yeah, Vero tested our resistance right now, guys. And make sure to take a bit of profit there just in case because we might pull back. You see, we have a little pullback here because we tested the resistance. Okay, we have a little jump here, 8%. Okay, I'm gonna exit just in case here because it's too dangerous. You see, guys, we got a nice resistance here. If we don't break it, we're gonna go down. If we broke it, we're gonna go up. PHIO, we have a test around the 190. This is should be the support. Vero, it might get halted up, guys, if we broke this resistance. Yeah, there's a huge chance for haltation up. Okay, now let us adjust the resistance for Vero around the $13. Should be the breakout zone. So the top one is Vero, guys. It is the best stock for today. JNVR is really low on volume, so I'm going to take it from the list. AREB is dead for today, so I'm going to take it from the list. MLGO is kind of dead as well. There is no action. ICCT moving a bit, but nothing much. So yeah, Vero is the one to watch. If we're gonna break the level of the $13, it's gonna squeeze. If we did it, we're gonna go back down. But yeah, as we suggest to exit here, guys, because we might flush for Vero. PHIO, it could be good to watch for the dip right now around the 150. Yeah, 150 could be a nice dip reversal, from my opinion. And the current resistance right now, it is around the $2.35, guys. Watch out, $2.35 could be a nice profit taken and resistant. Now it's gonna go back down, guys. Correction around the 150 would be a great, really great juicy bottom for Vero, guys, or PHIO. Yeah, PHIO could be really good juicy dip right now. Is coming around the 152. Yeah, I think PHIO is halted, guys, halted down. So we're waiting for unhalting right now because the unhalting should be around the 151. I'm gonna lower the resistance and profit taken around the $2. And Vero is still strong, guys. It want to break the 13. Let us go on the swing trade. We got SMCI jumping, Apple, SPY jumping, Palantir. We have a little green for today. A little bit of green off today market. Let's see your question. Big jump for RH. Why? I don't see it. Where? Which RH? George, why you're not telling the truth, man? Vero is still jumping. Let's see the stock that's been halted at the moment. We got FMTO got halted down, I think. PHIO halted down. FATN, ICCT. Whoa, ICCT guys got halted. God, 23% right now. ICCT, I might put it on the list again. One of the top gainer before. Yes, Vero, which one you said? Vero, yes. Vero is still looking good, man. PHIO is halted down. We got ICCT unhalted, guys, but still light on volume, so I don't like it that much. We got FATN, could be good. FATN, no, is dead as well. ICCT testing the resistance around the 424. This one could be good, guys. ICCT is back to life. Yeah, it's back to life. It's jumping right now. ICCT, one of the top gainer before, back in March. Now it's going back toward the 5. Vero is still fighting, guys. Vero, it might be really good right now if we broke the $13. Okay, I think. Yeah, Vero is still strong. One of the top stocks at the moment. The SPY is still struggling. Vero is still want to squeeze, guys. Vero want to squeeze toward the $15. We might get halted if we broke here, guys, for Vero and go toward the $15. So this is the moment. This is the moment for Vero to squeeze. Watch out. George, bonjour, mon frère. George, what you mean? We have two George. George, the French George and the English George. Asking the English George, ask about the market open 151. What you mean, man? I don't understand. French George ask about SOUN buying near the $6. SOUN now is $7, so we want to buy the bottom. Yeah, around the $6.11 to be exact. Or yeah, $6. Yeah, really good bottom, the $6. But yeah, it's light on action now. All the action is for Vero, guys. PHIO is unhalted. Watch out, guys. This one could be ready for a reversal. We might have a little dive more to test the 150 before a reversal, though. ICCT is still holding the gain. Yeah, we have a struggle for Vero to break the $13 because if we broke, the short will cover. Nice, my brother. Dexter, you doing all right, man. 25%, really not bad on Vero, man. Vero, Vero, Vero. As we said, guys, this is the main resistance right now for Vero. Be careful. It is too risky here because we still didn't break. However, if we broke, we're gonna get halted up. If we didn't, we're gonna flush down. So that's why we said take your profit here, and it is too risky because it's kind of unpredictable around the $13. And we took a lot of time to break. PHIO still holding. Now it is correcting time, guys, because we're still holding the 150. Current resistance is just below the $2, so we might test the $2 and then go down more. ICCT pulling back now. The main event or the main resistance right now turned around the 550. Yeah, ICCT is still looking all right. Let us do a quick run for the market. AREB, guys, started to move, but still light on volume, so I'm gonna keep it down. XXII, look at that, guys. Pump and dump for this one. I think it's halted down. That's why we said it's not good, man. MBOT is still sideways. Uh-oh. WORX, guys, this one now it looks juicy, man. Look juicy because it reversed perfectly. The rest of the market, it is mediocre for me. Oh God, we got a reversal, guys. Look at that. The SPY is testing the 500. Yo, we might have a reversal right now for the market because the market is pumping up. Look at that. Apple 3%, AMD. Yeah, we got a reversal, guys. Not bad for the market. Palantir, SMCI. Yeah, okay. SMCI have a little reversal resistant here around the 33. Palantir, the same, we have a little resistant around 81. Tesla, the same. Okay, so we still have a resistance for all the stocks. The SPY, though, did something, which is breaking the resistance. So this is a good sign, guys. Breaking the 489, really good sign for the market, at least in the smaller picture. For the other stocks, it's still testing a strong resistance. They didn't break. They didn't break yet the resistance, especially Nvidia. Vero didn't break yet. ICCT, a bit dangerous here. Wow, works. It did tested the level around the 133 and pulled back. It got the reversal from the $1. We discussed this reversal, guys, earlier. Vero, breakout, breakout, everybody. Look at that. Holy moly, we have a huge jump for Vero. This one could be the 500% stock for today. It's getting near the $15, guys. For my opinion, this is should be the main resistance for today for a pullback and flush. Yeah, it's back to huge flush there. Around the 15, yes. So be careful, guys. We might have a pullback just below the $15. It's back to huge resistance there. But yeah, Vero did really great, guys, today. The best candidate for today. Look at that. Vero still jumping, guys. Vero to the moon. Vero jumping. But again, as we said, guys, we got a strong resistance. It's coming up around the $15 because now we have a bit of struggle to continue. So I have a bit of doubt that we're gonna go higher than that. This is a bit risky play. Yeah, we technically still have this trend. Look at that. It's still inside the channel. Now we're testing the channel from above. Yeah, it look dicey now. So yeah, the best one still is Vero. It need to break this critical zone to squeeze more. If we didn't, is me, we're gonna go down to test the $10 and consolidate in this channel. For now, yeah, we tested the strong resistance. So there's a chance for a pullback. ICCT is halted down. Yeah, too expensive. I agree. George, I understand. Yeah, the jump, it was early. I think 2 days ago. We jumped 30%, I think, for RH. It was good reversal. And we discussed this reversal before on our King Elite Swing Trade play here. We discussed RH on the 3rd of April. We spotted the support 138 and 117. We went between those two supports and then we reversed. We tested the 165. It was a huge jump and even over the 135. So we discussed RH before the reversal of on our Discord and PHIO a few days ago. Yeah, the SPY man, yeah, is pulling back. So the little support is not strong enough. Yeah. So Palantir, SMCI, yeah, respected our level, so they got resistant. We don't break the resistance for Palantir yet, guys. But we're still in green. SOBR. Be careful, guys. Some stocks is not wise to buy the dip for. Yeah, this one, this dip I don't like. Huge dip with light volume. Bad news. Let us double check again the stock that got halted for today. FMTO got halted. Again, SGN, UPC. Let's check. Wait a second. FMTO, is it there? FMTO, UPC. I always mistake this one with UPS. Anyway, UPC is dead, yes. FMTO, guys, game over. 96%. Holy moly, from $8 toward the 10 cent. Are you kidding me, guys? It was $8 today in the pre-market, man. It went from the $8 toward the 10 cent, almost 100%, and halted down again, down. God, good God. Wow. Simply wow. You see how profitable the short is, man. Is much easier to short the stock than buy if, only if, you cut the stock before the bad news. So yeah, this one, it is pharmaceutical. Yeah, I think sector technology, not the pharmaceutical. So it's not regarding a drug or anything, but I think there is a bad news hit the market with this one. I can't see any news here yet. FMTO, stay on this page. So yeah, we don't have news right now. I'm gonna check it later for updated level for FMTO. But yeah, it's game over. KO in the stomach. Coding phase. Yeah, Vero is the one still looking great here. We're still inside the channel, guys. We technically didn't break yet. The breakout should happen here below the $15. PHIO started to reverse. Watch out, guys. PHIO started to reverse. Works is light on volume, AREB light on volume. So technically, for today, we only got two. ICCT flushed down. MBOT could be good for later. So yeah, technically we have just three stocks. And we're gonna update them later, everybody, on our Discord here on the Unicorn Hunt. We always do update for you guys. Day trade and swing trade. Mr. Boso, BTU. What's going on with BTU? And by the way, Mr. Bozo, right now your name is not red or green or any color. Remember, is mean you don't have full access to our Discord. Usually you have to have red or yellow or blue. We have three levels. If you don't have the color next to your name, is mean you don't have full access and is mean you have a problem with your subscription. So let me know if you can't see anything in Discord. You can see our day trade, swing trade, and other channels. Is mean you don't have full access. So text me later if you have a problem with your subscription. We can fix that. But yeah, BTU, brother, it is not a unicorn. It is energy stock, of course. We discussed this before. It's getting near a really good bottom, for my opinion. Thank you for bringing this to us because it's got earnings coming up on the 1st of May. And there is a turning point for this stock. Yeah, the turning point is coming. It was jumping in 2021. All energy stock jumped pretty nice. For BTU, jumped from the just below the $1 until $35. And now it's correcting with the market. So yeah, it looked interesting for a dip. And it did really good jump here, 40%. So BTU, I'm gonna put it on the list for the stock that I will watch for a dip later. Because if the market continue to go down, this one will be the good candidate to watch. However, the SPY is looking strong, guys, over the 483. Palantir looking really strong. Tesla the same. Not bad for today, guys. We don't have a weak market. We got a nice strong market for today. DXF is got halted. Yes, not every time the stock got halted is good. Sometimes we get halted down. For DXF is halted up, but it's not tradable. It's pumping, dump, and pumping again. So Vero is pulling back down. Yes, confirmed that this was our resistance, but it's not game over yet. So now the best two is PHIO and Inbox. Both of them looking juicy. Yeah, juicy. Yeah, PHIO jumping up, guys. I'm gonna put it first, PHIO right now. Jumping up. Guys, don't forget to hit to destroy the like button. Hit the like. Nice. PHIO jumped really good, guys. PHIO jumped nicely from the bottom. Make sure to take profit, guys, because the $2.32 could be a resistant right now. Yeah, here could be a resistant. So make sure to take profit just below this level, $2.30. Yeah, we have a good entry after down halting here around this dip, the 174. Now, yeah, 22% is not bad, guys, for this trade. Now it's 25. Yeah, it's back to pull back around the $2.23 for this one. So I'm gonna exit here. Nice. So PHIO, guys, really good dip as we discussed earlier. Yeah, really good dip here. Reversed, we took profit on it. Vero now is pulling back. Be careful, guys. Vero, it is too dangerous right now. Got shorted. Mbot still looking all right. Yeah, we got a bit strong market now. Trump to sign executive order to boost coal industry. Interesting. That's why energy stock. Interesting, man. Thank you for this news. We might have a shift for the energy stock, guys. We got to watch energy stocks. BTU 13%, the top gainer on this list at the moment. PHIO, guys, tested our resistance around the 233, and now we might have a pullback. Remember, everybody, we're gonna do a major update on our Discord. This is just the beginning. The market is still doing all right. So the hunt will continue later on our Discord and Patreon. So don't forget to join us, guys. The hunt will be on our Discord for the price action for the rest of the market. The market will be really interesting later on, guys. This is just the quick start. Be careful, guys. The ICCT, yes, it was not good, brother. Next time, if you want to trade a stock, don't trade the stock light on volume. I didn't put ICT on the list because of that. It jumped really quick with light volume, so it wasn't good. to trade. That's why we just kept watching Vero, Mbot, and PHIO. Mbot is right now broke the trend, as you can see here, so it's not that beautiful at the moment. The best one right now is PHIO. And of course, those stocks, we're gonna discuss the other updated level for them on our Discord and Patreon, guys. We're gonna put the chart for all of them here as usual for updated level for today. If we broke any levels or we have adjusted levels, because right now the market is reacting, changing the levels, like SMCI, Palantir doing all right. Nvidia, Tesla have huge test around our resistance. Now it's pulling back. So yeah, we're gonna do major updates for the market because the SPY is still holding the support, guys, the 483. All those level will be updated later on our Discord, guys, and Patreon. So make sure to join us after we finish our live streaming. In the meantime, guys, stay blessed, and of course, see you tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open, and early on 2 hours and a half, and even 3 hours and a half early on pre-market watch list that we do daily on our Hunter channel and Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. And of course, see you later on because the market right now is reacting quickly. And we have 5% for Palantir, 5% for Tesla, Nvidia almost 5%. We have the same percentage for most of the stocks. So this is not a coincidence. There's someone playing the market, guys, behind the curtain. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you in a bit. Or see you by tomorrow.